Hi, this is N. John Sukumar, Assistant Professor, Department of Economics. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sukumar's Smart Education. Mega Food Event 2023 Tagline Competition organized by Ministry of Food Processing Industries. Start date November 21st, 2022. Last date December 20th, 2022. Cash prize 50,000 rupees. Submission process. All entries must be submitted at mygov.in. No offline manual proposal shall be accepted. The participant should make sure that his or her MyGov profile is accurate and updated. Multiple submission by the same participant would not be considered. Subscribe my channel, ring the bell for latest updates. Like, share and comment.